Orange chicken, iconic dish. Chicken breast here, cut it into little planks. And I'm gonna work on the batter and the marinade itself. I need some salt, white pepper, cornstarch, whole wheat flour, egg, and then water. Whisk everything together. And then we're gonna mix. Refrigerate this and let it marinate for about 20 minutes or so. So I have a cookie sheet. We're gonna use a little bit of pan spray. We're gonna dredge these pieces of chicken and then we're gonna take them out. Now we can take these pieces, we're gonna put it inside an air fryer. So now we're actually gonna talk about how to build it together, right? Add some vinegar and then adding a little bit of orange juice, the tamari again, and then I'm gonna add the avocado oil. In here it's just some red chili flakes, fresh ginger, and also garlic. So now we're gonna add our liquid back on the heat. So I'm gonna use a little bit of cornstarch and then the same ratio of water. So this will actually help to thicken the sauce. And if I notice that it's not getting thick enough, I'll just add a little bit more. On the other hand, I'm gonna check on the chicken. Now that's crispy and hot, we're just gonna throw it into the pan. When I mix it together, just until I coat everything together, right? That's the whole purpose. So once you're ready, just go ahead, place them onto your favorite plate, okay? Okay guys, so we have your whole wheat air fry orange chicken.